Good morning, drone world, and welcome back to another episode where we bring you the latest news and updates from the drone industry. Today we have some huge news stories, with the first being a groundbreaking development for drone regulations. 4 police forces across the UK have been selected to trial beyond visual line of sight flights for surveillance and suspect location. The charge has been led by Norfolk Police, who alone used the drone technology for over 1,500 operations in 2021. Other participating forces include West Midlands, Thames Valley, and London Metropolitan Police. The aim of the tests is to reduce the strain on NPAS, who currently provide to 46 forces nationwide. NPAS stated, the project will not only consider drone types, but also command and control and hazard detection systems to ensure compliance with Civil Aviation Authority regulatory policies and procedures. Other important considerations will include the potential value for money and environmental gains of drone use, plus a reduction in noise compared to traditional aircraft. Now for one of our favorite topics, and that's drone light shows. Last week saw a 12-minute display in Taiwan to show gratitude towards the countries that have come to its aid during the COVID-19 pandemic. As part of the 2022 Taiwan Lantern Festival, a fleet of 1,500 drones performed above Love River Bay in what has been described as the largest display of its kind in Taiwan. Let's have a look at some of the best moments. Truly remarkable. Drone deliveries are known for making applications faster, safer, cheaper, and greener across a range of industries, and now you can add pizza deliveries to this list. In New Zealand, Dominos Pizza have partnered with Skydrop to expand their existing drone delivery trials to bring you fresh hot pizza even faster. Domino's Group CEO and Managing Director Don Meiji said, "We believe drone delivery will be an essential component of our pizza deliveries in the future. Customers benefit from the convenience of having fresh hot pizza delivered with zero contact to their homes by electrically powered drones, which also reduces traffic congestion and greenhouse emissions." But this isn't the first for the pizza giant. Domino's made the world's first pizza delivery by drone in 2016 from their Whangaparoa store in Auckland, New Zealand. A win for our hungry stomachs and the environment. Thank you for joining us for this week's episode of Good Morning Drone World. Tune in next time to hear more about all things drones.